Osino and Sawemno. Oma ya. Yera senso me ata say bi cry 80% complete, e be 50. Adentina womu nwie. Because nipa ewu efi say ye nkra kwan kra to mu. Kane na wo kwa Accra Asante. Accra road on kane no. Ube free take ahụ. Ube free ofori krom. Bipo na eye bipo am say Kilimanjaro kran fa no ho. I'm telling you, obi oye penin bia no say me free kote. Me ba pe free sane. Me ba me free kote. Na bipo no ho. Asante eye say Accra road o. From Tech and San what do kanti krono atiasi. Ya na eye bipo. Yes. Yeah, my many honorable go cross and table attention. Honorable, good morning.
Omanhene, good morning.
Now, pom to say,
Jamna Domnemo pipe or Nadia.
What now, man? Won persuade so ye na si ye. Minim what ma mrashebeja 40, what ma Ghana te wa mrashebeja fie.
Ana madaro ma be dase. Me fasa akwaja so. Achia me ne watie fo nyina. Ampa say esi ye no. Me enne na omo ma me kwan wo parliament amama kasa wo.
Okay.
Okay. Koye ene say na me pe information answer na me home for me kakra. Then answer then right now me go hospital. Na me pe information work. Your police command for details no car no name no by official.
Okay.
So na me di aka ho. Me friend da omo committee bi obekwai the way ni adura na me saka information ni nyina me
okay.
me tro wie ansa na me befie enti enna me hente leadership enti enne enna nyame adomo a betimi akasa fa ho
okay
na me wie no a ade ansa ya meko Asante Achimade asanso a medana himanache be for no na free hanumo akọ ena yumre na omo be yi omo na ochira yede omo atumpamu akosie omo nyina ochira no enti eso ochira no so me wo ho enti ena no me wie parliament ye no a na masibuko Asante Achimade so ochira no yakujira mo ya proud mo chikra
honorable say wada roma o omampani enam ne swafo so say obeye a 6-lane expressway Kumasi to Accra ebi mo de oma no tum say sa amfie miensa no enya de aban no betumi aye nienka omampani kufo nanado mo aye sese konongo bypass no ne ade no mrashebejuafo de na mo ka kira ban no wo ho se de be ya enkomeme na ne ku ho na wawie esa se sa mfie miensan obewie kwan no se nipa ewu okwan no so no yentumi nkan ana ono abode meka ne menya adwene sa
yo binu ame no ya drepa e force e bi se wanu mu ana auto a eben ocean lanes ya se no free Accra consum is almost done. The air rough crowd first to our brandy at it. I get to me rear noa, na boss whom Ubo a boss whom rear a free whom air condonso and yama another contractor bypass the way in a money at it. Think yet to me rear no, na fino. Yasha 6 lanes no more can once a week. Yenina yenim said Ghana hajumati. What do I look at see ya every engineering drawings, no feasibilities, no engineering drawings near the firma contract, you know. I'm so 4 years no crown or not I trem. So with the matron. A good idea, dear. But said the American, and when you force a bishop when yet 3 years at the now canoa. That the ya a bit to me up one massa, no man, menkasa a subit tradia. I swat to cry. It don't know. 6 lane no near the dear, yeah, quiet the brother. I mean, can say even 2 lanes as a 3 lanes, I hear come once. By the time where you use the best about 5 years, and no crown will be the natural set, and also road no so as I congested. We just 6 lane, but the money ya dear, the first say, yeah, last start here. I know dear, about Papa, may yet to be acquired. Almost Ghana had dear Bakua, a high empire, and say, young politicians, no. We are dear, when we not so fra Bramwa. Getting in an ya not buying for a by the person on the class.
Or twasso.
But you know, your passes near sweat and a musica any a day yadiano. And here be a Vusano, a gun and could any mudo. Obia Qua, or no one dear women of ye, women of ye. Osha, budget review about agenda 111 ya could do that. Baby or crown 80%, 90% on the one side. See, and ya one canoa na omu bejatum na and also ye Boakye bidi. Mesre, the way I ye a man sabonia. I can't you be brave pow. The brave pow.
Okay. Honorable Kwasi Antibwati, Madam say, and no pay will bra when yana. If it's you, I'm not sure if you in some of the beto Ghana for him. Honorable, Mama Quaba Buma, Membrante. Na, just say, and then you bring on Bay Mofrano. Na, extra 19 in ya. Eh, I said, with you, I know what you yaw. Yaw, no deal. Then Colano Crano just say, Yabubo Dakano. But be their body parts are not with them.
Like
their body parts are not with them. This is a national disaster.
Oh yes, oh yes.
And it is like I say, we are giving
gloss over it.
We've crossed over it. I say, and these are not elderly. And Kwadao.
Dachi your mama will move. Dachi Baumia, Dachi Kufuado, Dachi Kufo, Dachi one be. E was ankwala we mu a
chase
no Yakupon him de nti ode sankwala we be pie Ghana say bi on meye bibi
by the akwan ku omo oh I don't know how say udi agra ho obi be ku abra wo mre nso ye
na o my Ghana
kan kwansia agi ni pankwa abo fie se to oh abusia bi ho no ma ya na me catch me ma me bi ne man tafo mienu
yes
and Kualana Actimia real law school, i.e., medical school. Omo pass it out no more bar and Craquasso.
Oh, Grand
The manus, me no, Mamma me up Oman Casa. Johanna Fedna Naim. Johanna, urologist, me and
urologist.
Ghana have musicians are car, Quasia. Ubakai one time near what guy be war. A DJ be no what. Fox FM. Heavy did your son, your co Spinash. Freeman.
Yes,
just say, can't go see a coup. Janano Amas, our media headmaster. Over that fine headmaster beer or back a interview. Charles President. Magazine. Driver no the speed is hard to grind. Then nuclear to
oh,
just ya quite important. Yes, I say, Monsieur Fibbe brain a bottle or was a quine. Nipper whoa, so you're quine.
We don't see a chroma says, oh, Castle to Quanias.
I am a compaibo.
A prayer
how?
kosi se obekra wo maami anase wadanfo anase wobusuani se
nagaje se medu o
Kumasi akonkra na mafa ebia VIP bus anase 2M Express
maami ni ra dem ko bompai
ne maami ni na busuafo bompai akosi se obefa fo na from se ke
medu achimota
ana mabedu achimota udu achimota de ne wo se o safe zone oh dear na me boa
Asante why should this be so be to cry empire bo
yeah ni o my hair emra COVID-19 buy it became a national issue ama o man invest so much and a man and do for agenda 111 buy wanted to solve a problem now buza won say even 1 year mpono enipa wu Accra road no 10 times nipa wu COVID
yes Asante dia said like 20 times
na COVID-19
COVID-19 in Ghana
and ajewe every year bia Ghana for
there are many that are unaccounted private cars are no many are unaccounted also be basa mass na yedudu ntini e kan yo Asante trotra e wo osino e twemu a akopema eku nipa 3 taxi
ya kwa we dey say akwa we on say na tetefo no asisi omu fie that enkro da enti ye kwa no koto kwan ekoto fie no ye koto kro no ye koto kro no say ekwan no ni straightness and fire won ye dey an say we are linking the roads to the community
and
ekwan no ye sharp cars blebe o say o man me de na me kan opia na ebia ne me nya adwene say na omanpanyin o say omanhwema juzu me say omunye no railway lines from Kumasi to Accra.
And me know ya adwene o.
Ya no ya.
Yenya no flat.
Me ya way. Higher
one session from Nkoko.
Yeah, accident in see ho.
Nkoko to
we say crowd say kwa si Achimota because omo ye from
Pokuasi hono to Pokuasia omo ye unim say baby o man no double no accident in see ho bio say accident be see a na time moto for ne sa cars na omo cross no
most case accident in see
so Asante it means we have a solution.
The solution is this.
I'm not for no on my head ananu ya Jago Jota akunya accident no nanya kwan ni problem o car no and the man problem
overtaking what na woni mare won say yeah drivers no so yaw anytime a car ni be accident be si was akwan keto e overtaking
collision da kobum
head on bang overtaking ubetuma uka bi oyo overtaking na what the crowd to be can is and who know na so do oyo overtaking
na mo kan mention say o say obi yo overtaking o say car na me and me na me baby na be sang say
si for mame
na car dey o be so bi wo say 1 minute can times 5 na so onya ana obi be say ho no ayero ana o
be say
one tier nsi for
Yahweh be say 2021 as 2022 me dey obombo that time na me Nissan CX9 no what the hell she
we say bako ngura ni man
from say show
when uni baby kro ha yen ko no
ya uni ba de dia oba no sign ketwa ni sign kese no ena kese we so sign STC no na wo ka we obetumi ni STC akọ enti se we mu bienu no
se bako anwoso
bako ansi from no what so cry of fahin Asante car we
less than 150 meters
so Ghana kwa picture we na TV no so he ade ba kwa Ghana kwa yem pay attention to the shoulders of the road he kwan we
enchenchen
wo say enchenchen ni nyina kwa yenwura enti should in case cars ni bi person otisi from ema ba ko ba one we o de be kwa ko wura na makwa ko
e na otisi from no enwura na o no amna bi da ho
onim de da ho
say bi anka kwan no contractor ni ye
shoulders no o ma extending no utimi tisi o na wa Yahweh Asante she
what the care
na ka otimu a me tima me to me ho to red
akuta we mi tima no ansem say brother from body chemi woni afa gina
na wo de che woni ma se ba esre kwa say Yahweh we no die hu ni say yellow ya basi ogina kra wodi ba be bo
woni ne yanku yellow no
yellow ni be bo
and akoto mti bi kasa why overtaking na kwa ko drum fifi o sa we chi ehu enti tia so the question anim utia so akwa
no so tia so
na arawo sam say car na yesa no ho no we first one ye there enu ba bia mpo empo na ko na ba kuru ntinu bo so mpo a
ana we so akam ati abrochire
alright enti me masa make so man panyi ma ama na pampo mu ntia no pay sika na omo de be sa trillion no wo dia omo modin oh na onye saa ekwan wo onwie na omo fa sika na aka na nye railway lines na magana fo oman yenya
obe akota obe ye 6 lane ne ho akwan na
what say we no shoulders no at least shoulders no o ma clear ho ye
eti we no say overtake
we ni ye ni kromo kwan ye ni sa
no but house get they should do it
oh me see the content for me ye ni kromo we no me ye ni kromo
enya bi say eti say me tie sia ma nipa no ana say nipa no kra pake unse mosili akonta Accra Kumasi road no obo say passengers ni say obi so obajo so
parking crowd unya baby parking
ni so no wasa so parking
fa eba say ko duru ba bia ye linda do nya nya say ma nyu so ba bia
yaw she kwasi asem she tell me oh expressway oh speed check car never no
wa be check ni wa be check kesi ni ho na wa be
eti oyefa
kesi ni wa be check all ba be check no that great tani bi also edwane pa o new ones no no so mutri mo de no mia so kakra
wetin mo dey
car wa eba no
yes akoto ko ni baby una say we overtaking
mesias me ni obombo ni e konkrai she ni e konkrai o ena obombo enam ne kwanso yehu ya ne se ka bia yiditi obo hwe hodom so a amna eti obo tia so kakra na ohun se ho ye okay no ena o ba shoulder ho me see ya ese sao na kan de shim na shim no de sign ho no yaw
ka beti ya na damo se de o unu nyansa se
ye duru kai ho
slow down kakra
Ade Akye ya ba be so oboni kai be fa flight
na what from say
o de Accra Kumasi road no so de
obo kan no se nyina ansa na ye tika ni ma e ba no na me so obo say the 6 hours ni bedura
mi enfanko
ye free o beduru ye no yaw this is CX9 enya car phone ye bedura na me say me Accra road me see it's been almost 4 years or 5 years say me kon cry e be come last me de be free game say asante di pa ewu o Accra road no
ye taking records nipa me onu miensa
and now nam kwan no so a me say that day ye nam kwan no so no obo na bia moja gu car we people die like that
I say ba kuri eni aye coach hene ye kofa ni free nkan
coach Afrani
obedu bom so wan kra mo say nya accident
ne body ana
ni body na bom say be nya accident
na me
kai national hero
kai Mickey Yaw
yes
national hero
Mr. Nyame Mickey oyiba ma kai okay that time no ayi capital radio ni papa Governor B eba ewu eno omukoto omra mato brand new ambulance KNUST to omo de efuru no ona na etewu president Ghana nyina eti omo de efuru no e kwa Accra tio efuru no kwa Accra omo de direct straight to the airport because na plane si wa governor no ba no o peke akwala no makosie no owi along the road Accra road omo ni furu no nyina omo ni ambulance no nipa miense timu plus Mickey papa any efuru no nyina nya accident mo mu nyina wi
e second death pa
yes Mr. Nyame Mickey papa
Nyame ntam kese pa na ye
car accident the kuni papa just like that one day o papa e kon cry aba
and this is avoidable it's still avoidable me so munya railway lines na magana fo no munya trade college no munya
ekum nsɛmtwɛfo ekum policefo ekum
ya na why dey ku no asofo
nanu ya Kumasi asante kotoko na nya kotoko
ya kotoko ne konya accident no
akobobo wo be bia
ekoku ai wo mo crofobia drivers ni crofobia no ya me nko aga kotoko players ni nyina wu
so o man ye we say wete acha nansa
sam say politician na wo ba no
yes
Land Cruiser na nkuno Land Cruiser no
Accra ba Konongo say ye friend
where Konongo bypass
enyinem bypass no uduru as ne ko
udu anu afa hako we ukakọ yes 6 lane ayedai eti fie biensa na de be wie no do you know the number of people on be wo sa kwan we so
6 lane kwan won fa say 10 years crowd de enye ne kakra ne enye we say when the year
asante asem na wo kan ya we railway accident is so unless one of out of the
how many years what on my any alternative transport what be fa car fa what be fa train
so no one say one am robber ko gina okwam no
onko
niema problem a obenya ne say untimi nto yogurt e wo pa ho
ya bo ama
untimi nto
ya gina ya gina
sakuta wo say
express
akuta
kuma say car de won no
do be car train no wo de nya express kwa the normal train abey ejina wo yi osi no say wo be be ejina
akuta bibi
ya bo me jana se me jana wo sin ka untimi nto bibi
ya ne how many people crowd the conquer want to bibi for standing how
akuta trophy ni bayra ya tie no wo say ka de te say
ensa wo
na twem ya
akuta de o
ya wo pa
problem idi ko wala
me masa ba kwana me kan kwana ye
yeah, imagine.
Oh yes.
As I'm looking at these 19 children and their parents.
So for about now, yes, omo surviving akonta. Ida say nine ontimi 19. Ida say
na car asante engine attitude engine na nkasa.
You survive here no.
Omo so say
why vegetable.
Say no omo survive here no. Akonta omo nkwa na nyina. Ne nkwa na nyina.
Ade tanka na overtaking. Tanker.
I don't need a dinner. I say, I say, accident base no 95% a overtaking.
Tanker that was only making now. What baby did this year?
Yanche womo.
I know. So mu Johnny you said, "Omo so mu hu sa no." Pabam no.
Na so Johnny o se eche no. O ni tanker owner. Oh no, just say Ghana. Human lives, we don't value it.
Oh, David. Na say you, the entire value ni. Ye ni etia say ye dey. Obi wonim die ne mabebebe yemfa onya hwe ndu wa o kra se wabo aba na mo be employment foforo what you say because aba na onim so mfa so say obe we invest in you so that's our problem
because so we share other jurisdiction so America ni ba ko
wa
won the whole be dead jam Ghana one had the whole American
come on you
oh yes the whole
one American
embassy will move in one
Britain ni ba ko
yes
Holland obeka na nsem bi papa bi ano ebse area ba bi ode ne ma bi be sha ha na nkwara no Canada for no
kidnapping bi no
David where the papa bi man we on the yire kra na nkwala no ye Canadian citizens mona mo ye stories no asante look at how the embassy moved in Netherlands look at how the embassy moved in and swiftly took the children away
yes
Ghana very good
na nkwala no kuta Holland passport any ade
obefa o ma de me see within 2 days na nkwala no ayi no mo do nkan no they gave them a thorough medical lab Ghana na wo ti ase no kra ye pe wa mo
akota ko se boni adwene ne se nipa da se ni bia nyankopon de wa ba asase so no
so mfa so
e wa de bia nyankopon de ma wo se be na asase so
ye jimi do ye jimi
obenya
azati ye jimi o
e de ama ne man no nya de obehwe ne sa
for that you say every year bia superficial talent nipa bia
that's obebo nipa
was some we share sa kra no enu di san kra fifi egu ase no ya ebia omo kra mo ma ehwie o ebia ya ebia omo kra ma ehwie o nemu no omo be wo akra bi so what you say san kra no will change just like Obama and we team share accident no and say the fortunes of generations are yet or no
na kweta arehu sem bi so na wo see eno kra the weekend no ayi girl bi ayeso oba be ware a okoche ne wedding invitation wakosusu na tade a obe second dress on friends and man
first dress second dress
wakosusu kura ni ade a
oba
wakosusu awie kwa koche wedding invitation di ama for say ne wedding ye Saturday ye be ya 2nd August akota will be the se ka abono mo
Odam hobi de car ko bono.
Car na bono. Wu esi wo. Is this a German north or a German south? Kroni esi e friend dua da so say something. Baby sir.
Chese
Young girl say 20 something years so say obabe what I say accident no
it's like we have normalized it to live with us.
And afeso ani ababe bobo afini nyina ma hu say a national road safety for the
Ashanti region 585,000 died
last year. Eswati
I say inflation
yeah kwala na mna na yesi e bono
ara hu sem
inflation
kwala na mna na ye
kwala ni free eastern region say kofodua o say there Asante Achimoko and waba bedru say is it say dwansa o say wan siasia ne of omunumu jaso aba bedru o
kwala na mna na ye bono sa no 19 Fundaka 19 this is Ade way it should be a national e was a president in penimfo nyina kra wo krumo. But accident but my politician back up na the back one kambo hu di bi see one and bi ma asante bi see we MPB ana minister bi ana penny bi back one
o my mimi ne ba sama na kana say mitan ba say make bi ti emfa nche
wa asante
asama ke kan na say
ma udi aja ya mi ana me pese me ko ho e na hwan
na want to nya age by now MPB ni age asembo wa on the day ebi na kwamna boate kwamna boate ye ne parliament ni person anso ye demonstration
now MP Ade we see that be
3 days ago
was it
Monday na
Ade we see Monday we and na Thursday MP we see wo home foul na wo koye statement
na car born no video ni we ye mra wakwakosusu mo friend say second brace so first brace okoye wedding no wedding invitation in the TV so say 2nd August next Saturday
wo ware car born oni
car born wo kunu kwa wo kuna to atwene just like that e won say akotedo etoda ye de ye fie friends superstition
no ba ya ahweye so wo ho
ahweye wo ho but akota ye ne mani bi wo so ase say ye niam bi eye na kwa Accra Kumasi road ya ye Kenya akota so be kai pa ye ko ye friends say ko no between Konongo na watra dwaso na wodi ba wanim no odi besi nkokko no watie si fo akokko no akota so hwe ya ntokura ne da kwan no driver na had to drive
be say on the shoulder say hold on say obi adu obeso so ebo bebre pam na odi asia obi na eno ano just like
ya ka send asem ya weekend Monday so ba kubi na arawo kwada so batemu ho mo se dwena se Abranche bi yes abobo ya sepaja de atwi no wa scratch ne car no nti wo chezi no wo chezi na car bi esi wo do kwhya ase wo kunu ho ni maid ene nana o be se oko 80 years
yes
okunkumo mu oman asem sisi oman mu na the report wo a ente
the number of people are accident Kumasi Accra o say eduruma bi ebe from Techiman ede from
Yesunyane
sa kwan sa stretch and na bus ni bom bam na
eno na ayi kenkampo
mo so be ka bus ni wi ko bom bus
ejatom
passengers ni nyina ase eno ye kekane sa minim de o maye o sa kwan ne so na para Accra Kumasi road no de akonta me kwa ba omo mama anko dru omo koyo omo ansa ma bio no ye kase ye ka enye COVID-19 ni pe kumomo tipen ni omo adu omo
ya ma me form si ya na me ne
yes classic ni e ka basic rate no Bank of Ghana matches almost say from 28 about 25 no cry
I told you koba we'll have time for that ma jobbing for trust jobbing raw bank I'm no much komo no pay nyina ya raho it's a kola mako 19 ye ko ka omu nyina agum amrem akata won so an kola we wo man ka bia hye o makọ program a o mo ba na a tanker driver kwasi ampani bi Jimmy Fobi na tanker car tanker a overtaking Kunkro for man 19 and the nation sits there as if nothing has happened because the human being our Ghana no your friend or Ghanaian no he's not valued. Oh yeah, me say ade we opa nke yenke ka say MPB or womra hye bedwafie ne ba ana MPs be mienu ma wom ana minister bi ba wom former minister bi ka obo hu de ka the whole nation e ka ho asem omo papa no no papa no de say bie ebi ni ho radin farm of friend Christ ye amen. Ricky ne George mama kwaba damu pom to say whatever the situation is onipa uska and now jebosia di dwa boa eno antena dwaben wa ha ombe boa mane mesisi ye bobrapa na oba wukra ya kan ho asem mama kwaba my ente manope
yo Omanhene yedi kan emfa nchia ema etiefo ne ahwefo and more especially customers of Jabinra Bank na yeba na emsem topic na mo kan yesiwo ye Eda Are Noble Damwa o say oma all the bereaved family no mom shedding adia ye intimi replace will be as back any life say ankanwa unhu hawa etie if we are victim of this situation who say eya but abrabo na yegusu boko yanim e bompa yesempanyufo nso ebete na sopam na omo etimi aye ekwan no ama ye na etimi reduce say niam away no drivers nso enam kwan so omo hwe na ja omo drive yi sere beye nyame betimi aka omo ho de omo kodu asomdwe we are ne empaibo Jabinra Bank we console with the family Omanhene no kre say esi esukura eja him atoyen so bibia ni ho ebitimi ayefa ho agi nyame no a ye ka sikasem a eno ni nipa nso akoma Omanhene we aye kika yakohu ebi say bibia esi nanso dodo no anso a enam ho kire sikasem enti eno nso ede yare ebre binum na di wuo ebinum so kura ewu no eno so do so pa eno nti na Jabinra Bank ya ba yeso ye kakra ye betimi aye di aboa the business community ene Ghana man no ana yetu ho anamo Timothy enka eya amon tie ye keke na momuntu anamo na monko ye various branches no nko ye bia accounts Jabinra Bank e ba se e o se ebo mo ye be boa mo papa de tie ne won se enkwala yi ho asem a ne kan ade ba ko nso a edi9 bebre no enkwala no ama ene social vices ekọ so bebre no nso ye education eno nti na ma Jabinra Bank ye de oba daachen abeto sisi a sebri ye che obi asa omomodin anko Jabinra Bank ye branches ebi se oba no obetwa all right obe passe eso Oko University even after SS and so ubehwem no na sikasem no na ehwan ye den sebre eno ne ye can say go through the pains by saving something small towards wakwala no na Jabinra Bank yeso ye de ensihu a ewanim pa be den ebe ka ho e de amaw obada achini nti ewo ho ma eniama bebre ene akwala no kro ko school a watua ni school fees ya wie no krampo no hostel fee Omanhene enye sika ketwa yes hostel fee ebi ya 10,000 15,000 ene de wo wachiri de say wan hyase anye kakra de say bi akwala no o JHS 1 JHS 2 JHS 3 bonza akwala no kra watwa eso ko reading medicine enso na sika sem ayedin e de amam wimpo bua wi a ever hostel fee ni na di scanning books no so by den krampo no watimi aye sebre eno ne ka se bomodi a bra dwabin ra bank ye bie ye pon ato ho bra nafa kakra beto ho wo ya ne kakra 10 cedis 20 cedis 30 cedis 50 cedis the all the obenya bia bowra or branches no na fakoto ho in the name of that child sare be ya ye betumi aboa na eso yetumi ahwe ye ma no ne du ba bia ya wo ho abon se awofu bi aba me ba na watwa wo nanso menya sika emfa nko obi be boa okra ente se wa be boa ho kakra bi na wo ye no me se bomodi go that through the pain na fa kitua bi fa beto ho ya bia ya pon ato uduru ho a eye accounts open and one say wo de Ghana card o passport picture ne do light bill now say obie obada chinti account say a basa save inside there meaning George betimi aka ho asem bibre.
That's right.
Na se si amen fa ye loans nsem na say eno so ye de abetu dwa eboa businesses no. Enra na mini abaku di nkomo ne niam afiri abrochire aba bedu awa ebegu habo. Na okoyi nefe ayedi wa pa ofre quickly no a odi loan ni 2 months ade chen ape na ne nsaka seska no. Eno ne asempa loan a yede abasa yede ba beboa ama businesses akomo nim. Omanhene last na me buy na me kan last week say but aya na edan panyifo table no say omo boa Ghana man any business community no ma be yodefo. Say bibia yede aba ne say add value no kire say wo ye obi a owo ka ba ko a obadwabin rabanka ye be ye den ye ne kire bi betutu kwam na ya boa no atimi anya ka ba kwa ka ho within short time say eye pragia ne kita wa o de bra your office baby account ubi account na ye be kire ekwan ya be fa so some few months na ya so asen na watimi anya pragia ne be ye mienu anamiensa senso say eye heba ana say omo tonton abibiduro yi bia de kan say o de bra na baby account wo ho ye be guide o ekwan ya be fa so o branch ye ma kwa ye be ma branches no aye mienu within short time ye nyina na esa ma wunimde because botaye ne say SMEs medium scale enterprises no business nketwa ne ademu ni nyina no botaye ne say Dwabin Bank ye den hihye ye papa ato ho Omanhene de ma ne ye fe wo mpa ne say obo ha akwaje besia onhwe nsihu no bebre no abo say ewosoro Dwabin Bank oba enya de a yedi nsihu kese bi etoso more especially a net Bank of Ghana said the name Asante ebusa no what in the policy rates at the about 25 no Dwabin Bank ye interest rate no so yeso yatete so sebre oba ho no mo a yen yankasa ye be ye ama wadwuma no so akwanim because interest rate no yate so Omanhene asempa no de ye kan enya de aye ka say kofa collateral sembia fabra nti se o accounts wo Dwabin Bank se woni accounts mpo Dwabin Bank na uye business pa na ekonomi ni de hu ya ne se hu se ampa o ability to pay uduru ho Dwabin Bank ye decide sika no be ma e ma obi 100,000 yet sika 1 billion ye betimi de amount eni de we ni mpo sensa na interest e won hu so ye bibi kitua bi ekuo etise churches any tailors association or trade association whatever sebre so ye de obapa loan so ato ho a sebre obi a
okay
ya shares no so da onam se minu George de no so
George yankwanim
Omanhene ba tia tiefo na hwefo nyina Omanhene me ba no old boys no kuma se Anglican am mfa ncha gase nyede be mfa ma
ayo caucus
ba chwa
we
disciple 04
2004
ba chwa Omanhene
2004
ba chwa
and I don't want to see me oh sir
yeah
2004 disciple oh yeah we are more actually cry we are 91
that's right
91 34 cry but still okay 2004 okay
yeah
nese na mo na Rebecca HRD oh
sir
mo head mistress is here but Rebecca tete odocho me can no dem eko
disciple kasi ya
me mate no
sir okay
I want na me mate ni Rebecca from 1986 to 2091
good
many ni na call cast from form 1 to form 5
good
the oil headmistress is here very wonderful woman oh boy juma pa we 2004 almost almost chia me ho me so me chia wo yeah great
Omanhene special exercise no go so I course on race course and no ya ne pineapple association sellers no ehia na omu nyina bibia account no fe watermelon for nyina nti say me associations for nyina organ na say dem boss kan no ya tun sa dia from obi a me bibia account no odwa be in bank Omanhene obi ye investment and one million no hwe rate and emfaso ya de be benya e say no ye hwe season na ewram na e sikita wonsa nti businesses na bebre na de be slow down Omanhene ka kire atiefo no say oboso we investment dia bomodi an say obebotwa be bank samre no emfa scan ko hwe wayi ma scan nya de be enko hwe samre ya bomodi an say wo ska kakra bia bra ye no ntena se 3 months 6 months 1 year na yenya first deposit bi nya de fama season no island season ti bebre na business na de be echo down in the same way no first can go she be first deposit no so can 3 months 6 months 1 year and no ya mama baako or the 1 million Ghana cedis Omanhene buy rich the man no in fact na ya mama ni ade be ani agi pa in the same way ya ka kire tifo nyina no say obi a momodin na o invest wo dwabe ro bank oba so a ya be sure yie pa Omanhene shares na eguso a yeton shares na 50 pesos samre anya ntumu Omanhene obeto bi sesi a pe na appreciate a broni se capital gain onya mfaso emfaso do ni bebre na no say no Omanhene sia na ewo yemnante bremu ebi be no na yekoji ahome pension nti yenhwe se shares no 50 pesos no obi a momodin se obeto bi butuma to fi 200,000 Ghana 20,000 10,000 obi a butuma to bi empo so ntimi makra na wahye ho no frey a ebeba aba register ina ya debe e de amount to Omanhene eto safre atiefo nyina se ses no obi amfa no nye debe enyim Omanhene enano so ye se adwadifo no titiri kejetia Dubai ene adwoso market bebre na de musical share mo stores sa advice we akoma adwadifo no ye besre Jabiro bank ye cash collection services na oho emfa osika ko share store ma se be jango ye debe nkutum maba na mrante de deploy mo market centers no bomodi anse nipa ne ba ho no ma de first kan ma no e ho na Omanhene instant na onya SMS alert banks ne bebre na so ho no ma e okoyi ne aye kwakotin ba Jabiro bank de wo de usika beto ho no ma yenya de be yentetew
okay
nti obi anfa ne sika beto Jabiro bank Omanhene de branches ne beto dwa
all right
Jabi Chief Palace bonwere your taxi rank onne Roman Catholic fumeswa your taxi station sepe your Gako house aboaso your Asante line Pankrono your Pankrono market Adesheman your Dubai gate 3 Roman here so your Atunsi station New Road your Motown about Sanso Omanhene their numbers number 2 9 na obi a person ni bedwa aba na dwonu Jabiro bank bedwa 0544
0544
74
74
58
58
56
56
0544
0544
74
74
58
58
56
56
0243
0243
18
18
20
20
24
24
Omanhene yes sorry so and 31st last day of the month yes na 54 nyina say sika no e de nyina ekọ Dwaben Rural Bank
okay meda sipi nyame enhyiramo na 3 Herbal Center for and omode 3 cool capsules aba odofo koko ya de bonia wetimi kan nipa to them wan hwe ya chese ukoja wonan moja nom ne ade nyina pulse no nyina se be hye afei de beba no se waist pains ni nyina nso so ebe free honomo na afei de akoba no se constipation no nso so eto atwa wo hia 3 eco capsules na wo de edijumai ama okoko sem nyina free ho calling Agdani Misty ni apedan ko benya bi number no 0546 107 107 women of faith anyone hinini adazoa akabo mu a omude jumadi ato din 1 day supernatural power pack encounter baso ewo Techiman community center wo hinini tonsa afre wi ase nyina se watonsa afre adomba fosti minister Audrey Japan any minister IBJ omo ebe die tata wo sorry emodi akonyame anim apostle general Moses Osei ebe kasa ojumadi ase prophet pa ebe kasa Mrs. Vido Fosu Tabri Catkis retired Trinity Presby Techiman wo mo nyina ebe jumadi na se Dwumadie isi Ohinini Enaso. Hyɛ so Techima Community Center 9:30 a.m. on the 23rd of August. RSYD Novigi Studios. Yema Akwaba as a premier destination for professional photography and film production. Our special studio is equipped with top-notch and top-of-the-line professional equipment for your creative needs there. Noviki Studios. We are filmmaker, we are photographer, creative director, and now we are professional film studio. Now we are podcasting, and now special effect to be for and near maybe our person we are. Yeah, turns for us furniture and crime. Malam Abasi, and our first Kokroko Street. A Honomo and Novigi Studios, a war. Come and experience creative environment where your vision becomes a reality. Na opese ubuke afre 05747157778 05747157778 and 0303974822 0303974822. Yas toothpaste, Yas toothbrush. It comes in 3 variants. There will total care toothpaste, preventive cavities, tooth decay, any plaque. I feel white and no mouse if it are. Now herbal toothpaste and also it will natural herbs and mouse in a thing. Your Prince Monarch Dew Duchess. Kidney brushes are hodwa a canwa what to so now choose here. Onuma a kama. Don't forget it's Yas toothpaste, Yas toothbrush. Codix Healthcare Limited. Diabetes. Nah. Oko hospital doctor say when you be no ni nyina ya sichire yade na o sugar level no ba bia e be kwa koduro no e de ohawa na say e de anije bebrel anopa bia wo sori a e wo so wo code free or code free plus glucometer afidie now they are checking sugar level wo koda wa check e ma hunu se ne obesi aba obresi afa aduane a obedie se ne obesi adi nuane na fa wanu mu nro code free plus glucometer afidie Codex Atenacite Adia Pharmacy, Oson's Chemist, Jab Pharmacy, NNA, Saks Pharmacy, Lancer Chemist, Ubenya Biatofre, 0206 972 0206 972 and 0540 647 867. Nabibia Ankoso. Ash foam, feel it, know it. Order 4. Say ukopie ash from Australia ya system near my system your one-stop shop for all your home soft furnishings. Your beds is here and your mattresses papa as from the same mattress you unim your pillows papa say unim now bed linings are dear bano mattress toppers dear bano mattress protectors you will duvet oh whether no you know we hear duvet afei watch curtains about them not towels papa bia odi dware wo an towel konfia yi ni won sesa ne da ka honfo ani kire ho na kotu anamo na niema enkoyi emfama ho na bibia enye kama Kumasi Mall Santasi Tafo Ahonjo SG Mall Melody Showroom se o kasi nyina no obehu ye wo ho no mo be mindful of internet fraudsters 0556 579 0556579214 Ashform feel it know it Araba Kwaba now bomb to say you watch it Zabrante and the old just you are refusing to grow yeah I just want you to say oh bejeja ho kra
eja nyankopon sa no boy e be ye yandru ba bi ase
as a wunyini as wacha wufie ni bi Honorable Andusbedi Akon and was CAE former MC German South na we na twetwe honorable yam share minim se oba na wutie yen share wo sama si wo obogu ni na ya Accra road eno ayewra kwame bojase omo beye 6-lane express road former road minister say ye konongo bypass osino dunsawem ebi 80%, ebi 50%, ebi 60%. Why say wouldn't fear me ensa osim fear me ensa no so no omunu nu omo sere omunim say sa 6 lane no omuntumi nye now omampani kan say all akwan a dey projects are obeto ye no obehwe no complete so why this new one Yɛwura Kwame Abuja so aka say free no krom shoddy work contract NC. Ayade a omo be see to say obi any one more man kwan. No ma yes Sunday ba no. Scholarship funding. Yɛwura Safo Jane down was say afiom be for 5,000 people. Attorney General so free for the improval of judicial service workers. And a court granted 10 million bail. Ama atuesie. First capital. Say ne ho edodo no pending appeal. Ma me bra won che. Ghana ye quantum ponso. Ya kwan. Eni sene nipa da senia no. Ye hwere ye nkwana ye bo fie ni ade. Jama Saudi me just say move of that problem maybe.
Mini Omanhene medawasi. Machia na masache otifo.
Echefo das.
Na machia mempeso aso Jama South. Nipa hwe Mr. Abraham nim se na namu nyina ne mpanfo atwahia. Omo hwe.
That's right.
Omanhene accident na isi dwa so no. Na anu isi ye no. Meka se na wo manim pe na me fira kraiba.
Obetoso.
Ya betoso.
Ish.
Me duro na ma traffic esi because ya stop cars on the free say by the free say by na obi agina. Na it was so devastating. Enti ebra me duru ho no the way man traffic no chance na echi no na menti ase. Enti e ho so I say forest ho. Enti unhuru se nkrofo e ba na nti e wo ma na me hu se motu bi e ba na me jam bisa what is there no see accident na esi. Enti nkakra ye bi we mu na we mu ko na bi we mu na we mu aba e na kakra na me duru. Na me duru no hwe ba bi a ka na akose amenam na nkrofo atwa ho ahia na car na police force accident see abode atwika afrim na omo force so mpeso omo yi car no free na omo tumi yi nkwala no bi afrim a ye de omo ko but na ebi da so atrapo ewo ayi car no makoma ntumi ahwe nti me yese me gina kakra me hu situation na ewo no na omo abie nti me twamu and it was so unfortunate nti a chira mbete se nkwala omo agu se de mo car no ko be 19 can you imagine? Can you imagine? Driver ni negligence.
Yes.
Because me do oni pana na omo twa say and na kwan no so and na mpanin for the basada politicians yi na and na mo be ye kwan no mo nye na kwan keto we driver na obu nsa no ho no na ema that area kwa kef na articulator tanker
so crowd speed yes.
That is the problem. Enti ye be sire police for na national safety for no road safety for no I think say education of the drivers no enko baby a men sen car na wo sen they say ayese wo to chacha o betumi akọmi ntumi nko
try your luck
o betwe oti awie na mo kama sen na say wakokam
akekam
me a ebi dibi na me ya beduru adwe so driver na enam say we ni si ya na ma cars no do so no enti me yese me drive asen de san na de no di manim no ono so akoto ebi wona nim pen otie na break so amese me ka na minim se abo ne de no tokra na me hwe na me hu nyina wo so enti ese ma education e ko driver for
that's right
hwe se driver for minim se ye kire omo sa anema no ko driving school a kire wo wona wontumi ntu America no ese da bia wo outer lane se road no ye double corner
the outer lane ni na lane omu ni ma de kro
enti tanka anasa car kesi a wontumi nko na wona ese obedi outer lane na de owo speed no
na ko ina lane sa wo no da o ma
enti wei ono wa ba di baby a de wontumi nko so abrochi da bechewo car sa kesi de wo kwa ese wo fa so enti se mu nyina wo na nketo na se wo bedi baby a keto adi na police wo bechewo sisi a na ho no camera na ye adwuma enti wo fi a na ye de bill na bro na ya chewo say that this that this is what you did one option bia enya sa ya jo license so ntumi drive bi enti me fi say driver for no e say more education ko animu say driver ni a wo drive a wo ntumi nko speed no wo de na ye outer lane no say road no ye double road nko ade a because you do ba bi e ba sa e man crofo e drive on ye first say the other side because wo be sne car no udi anko yi a e betu ba say that dey bi kura wo ni ma e free kwa na che because of driver no dey now because won to me nko ye ka se obi antu America but wo speed no enduru de ono okura ka keto a okọ speed no enti be physical education no e se ye man ko yi na nkwala do mo afrim no ye ma busuanfo nyina ya ko look at the ages
1921, 1960.
And Kola getting. Indeed, I think it's unfortunate. Says I do yes. Now, and the members have a Accra road no. One will say, you name Accra road, yeah, you go so I hold me, but portals now a war, especially free, baby to say, lender door, and they will bank cocoa.
Yes.
Now what to Jasso is there. Portals no work as I said, Yem Philippe.
So I say, yeah, quite a benty.
I'm telling you, yeah, because the whole of this year, I can highway for who's a one or more filling those portals. And it's almost a cousin be brave, especially free Osino, and you know, baby, not a driver on the shoulders of the road,
which is dangerous.
Because in 15 now, I say, and say, you know, who crack it to one way, and that's all portal we are, and wow, tired. Now, do, no joke. Na de ka ho ye sa nsawom of ankode and they cry worse road run na say nka obetu wa che super be at 30 minutes no you spend less than 2 hours now we travel from Ipokuasi to nsawom
na nkoko konongo so konongo krom utimi di 2 hours.
I'm telling you e wonko konongo krom no kra na enyinem ka ho
timi di
konongo chew na
enyinem chew I say
e kra no osino
I saw be ka ho that's all you had is 6 to 8 hours e be do guy.
Intimi this is the me say me kwa na say me duru nsawom a o say nsawom o duru no na wo wura nsawom krum na wo wura krum a na wa be fa left o fa na wa ko pie e fe say aburi na wa pie aburi na ma si road no say ma pie Accra because me fa me faster than say me ba be fa o fa road. Na Kasia, but we say we do na say see kwan so it's not the best. Until when young politicians, no, I think say Drew be a Ghana for Kase politicians, no, ye dig Ghana for him. I agree with them. I agree with them because idea way because every year be a party be a power be a Kase or be even a single lane from Accra to Kumasi. Nkasabre we Accra Kumasi road. Nyankopon boy President Kufuor Roma. Odikaye ye friend saying achimota tu nsawom e na say e say ye no ya say hyase aya sisi Akufuor do ba ye de Pokuasi abeka ho e na ye de Pokuasi interchange e na wato so say o ba nsawom o say e free President Kufuor ye sa nsawom e ba isuhum area ho nyina no wale no 8 years a ye nua no ndisi for ba ye to me abomodin e di lane we na be kan ama ya be duru bunso e na wase award contract say yen divert from bunso junction na yen twam osino ya ye kan wase say traffic yen twam ni yen twam ametwa anyinamu nyinamu
yen fa konongo
na yen fa misi konongo uduru konongo a ya say award e ma konongo so e ba be pie bumfa junction entinka almost na kware be bi aka say ye wia no nanka yenya 2 lanes said the President Kufuor time ye na Akufuor do ne jom ye friends President Moss e di bi to so ye duru be bi e duru nanka ye wi kwan no but obi say minim say aside sa 6 lanes na o kan o mbeto we so dia
o ba ro ye 6 lanes there said me say we no ba
ba ye tua ma contractors be say because o dem different contractors
yeah
sky ina she. Anytime I say do everything, I say politicians you do man remember. I agree with those people. So why are we doing this to ourselves? Now me the American when say employing for be brain na be to say road minister ya no kasane regional minister money ministers na kan omo konkran ya omo mfa fom biem. Omo mfa fom biem. Enti sema ye ke ya ye ka no asem bia they don't see it. Na senka ofa fom e na ohunu portals na afibia but we say dia o kwan so ma kwan ye mu trouble despite say swa nyina chi na enne be say 6 months ni ye nya ho hwe na kwan nyina tutu a I think senka on best it up enti ye besre 6 lanes ni hia but here sesi ya no de ya ye ne sesi ya no ye mo modern say betumi awie na ye nya say politician obi ya de na say obi ba so e media me da bia me ka say projects na ye mankofo no enye ye politicians na ye de ya
o that's what you say.
Yes.
Me na me ye na me dia.
If you are able to complete nipa no mo ho na kasa enim nipa e mo saka project no. enye wo na wo dia nsesen sika na ye de ye na ye wo dia e obotom sika e yo man sika enti say ye hwe han because me na no ya me ba me ka wo say we free nsawam e ba na contractor na wo kwan so no me hu say wo cha adwuma ni nyina gu the contractor is not on site.
Okay, so now buying and also yeah some audits.
But later minister now catch and say well other contractor and say they should go back to site. Okay. But we do on there is no contractor on site. And now we do we do a minimum who say contractor now yes other version so when you the people say no more cars you twem no more. Now we do a quite who say cars fast quite so more yen cra. I check meaning say they are also not on site. Inti dia na ye the idea is actually you we are accident baby by his minimize it. Quite be anywhere because they were quite accident in so but the rate at which accident is not the best. And I think the minister no, he should come again and tell us something. Obey about to be quite now ama for because this is the major road. Yeah, a linking two major cities.
Oh yes.
Now you to me yeah. Nancy mi ko Côte d'Ivoire. Na Côte d'Ivoire de Oman say omo rose no a epie omo ne other country share border na. What? Don't go there. I'm telling you. Even omo road wa enam de beka say enye medo ebepie ni edoma ahinkro. Ube we say ura Ghana portion na ye de no pro.
Time.
Umdru omo de na.
A new place.
So why? Côte d'Ivoire we nye rocket science. Why can't we do this? Let me feel say young politicians no. As say ma or my move for who say we are helping them and we are serving them. It is not about us. It is about the people. Because ye kasem we are na ye media me na me wie e na me ye we na enti me me projects are. Can you imagine say agenda 111 it is na mo kan wasem. Projects be 90% completion rate 80.
And say on agenda 111 no.
This year
what's the latest on it?
This year budget there is
nothing,
no provision.
Nothing was made.
Review, no,
and nothing came.
Allocations above. There is nothing like that. And to projects now, ya man drew baby I drew no. Yes, ya ready see a ko be no. I say variation. Because the cost at which I started, you know, that same amount of money cannot complete it. Until now you sign at the cost no be as you have project no. Until you better house. Road I can say oh here is see how by 6 lanes. Meaning compensation crowd be man nipa be affected other farmers or obi a ni fie wo ho ne de ka ho no yem twetwe seska we yina ma onwie no na 3 years now so
na meanwhile we the say omo ye compensation be bia o
omo twetwe ni bi enti why can't we complete this project
Accra road we abodua bi atoso ana Kumasi Accra road
I think say
because it expand. I mean, it spanned from from 2003 up to 22, over 22 years. Yes. This stretch of road,
say every year, even 10 kilometers.
Oh, it's embarrassing. It doesn't speak well of all governments.
I'm telling you, because these guys, what is wrong with them?
Honorable nipa ahwere wo nkwan wo kwan we so.
Oh, uncountable. Now COVID figures Ghana
the person. COVID the cancer.
The person we.
Answer the do maybe how na what.
Spate of me say 30 minutes and kwala 19. 30 minutes. Enye a day within the spate of 30 minutes.
Now say 30 minutes. 2 minutes. Bang kwala 19.
So because so more my actual figures
from Sabebre are all accounted for. Sa individual or ko Accra or the private car ko raka anyone why no bebre yen kan o majority of them ye buses ne cars akesia the timi kan say nipa 15 e wuta e wunda ye record you.
It's very terrible. I think say it is about time you who say we are not helping the people and we are not helping ourselves. Because say you because you better musi ya de aye chaskele na project me sakase sa project o mbe je go no mo to me di no ya
yeah share court issues one attorney general court and abekaya na say the issue of communal for say officer or tia sikani be play bargain and one sem bebre ena nipa ba ko no so play bargain na no want to mentia ne sikani be or dey abanka over 51 million ato said court granted no bail of 10 million say ne hodo do no and you know even though I'm making appeal, the court has not yet sat on the appeal, but the court of appeal has granted him 10 million bail. Some people feel say Ghana and they as a based on opening Kwapinando for the no any Bokrono na for money sikan ye yiro swana wakuti ani ejao. Honorable Junior say.
Oman, I think say the current Attorney General, while here, he will go into the books in the history of this country as the worst ever Attorney General that we have ever had.
A lecturer and a practitioner of law.
Many are the can say, hey, look, now you want to or memoir. The way a man as some of us now, ye more levels.
The kind of leverage,
I'm telling you,
the kind of respect.
Exactly. Say, Emrano Munim, or you say, but ye more to me, the mom says, I will be a new biao. Oh, yeah, will be a new bia. Ye mouth to me now. But my sight, I dream that I hear that I knew a manipulation or more manipulating, and he cannot withstand it.
Who is manipulating?
Oh, people within government.
And they share the money,
including the president himself. He's complicit.
How?
Oh man, how can the whole president and as a Attorney General say a case of this magnitude or entirely prosecuted? No, I catch him say the president. No, I catch him say the president is not aware. The president is not aware. How can that be possible? Because
Akunyano ko finfin o mame. Aha. There be transfinfin mame. Okay. Ne pia we no konchen kakra mame. Me da sipa we de mama adwuma so nya we.
No problem.
Kasa.
No problem. Because the Attorney General cannot tell me say adwuma bi a oye bia. Most of the issues no mu discuss in cabinet.
Yeah.
And
definitely.
Who is cabinet? Is that not the president?
It's the president.
And he said, "Oh my sika could you be about 5.7 billion cedis." Na case in court. Na Attorney General per se or yes case is when you pre-bargain no. Or then because pre-bargain no the TN say me yam suamra no.
But pre-bargain me tua sika no munyame.
Yes.
Enye tua bi jabi.
As say wo court.
Na court no te ase.
Yes. We on court no akasa na trance. E no say nipa na kwabra dufo ne lawyers e na be hu no mo neka. The first question I asked myself, who are the lawyers of Kabradufo? Who are the lawyers? Obekaya, the first prosecutor or
prosecutor.
He told us, say, lawyer Chechuchi Katakraka say, or no, on Pesa no, onyai, because when him say the client, no, innocent, and he will prove it in court. Inti Emma Chechuchi Kata case na no criminal, we hear no free. Inti Obubodi lawyers na no way involved. Why is he not telling the lawyers involved in this case? One kasana na we lawyer for Kabradufo. He cannot deny that.
Attorney General.
Attorney General, ayeni. Enti one kasana was atenase as Attorney General, and I was a judge as a lawyer for Kabradufo, and I was come to conclusion say, a juma na why no because who can say Kabradufo as it would 60% of Alisikana wabo or mine kano. Now with the 40% na general. It will no kasana atenase on the court.
So then mean this is not plea bargain.
That be any plea bargain. Because plea bargain
where financial amnesty.
The plea bargain no they said there must be a presence of a judge. This one who is the judge in this case? Ono akasa na wako transit. And no say. That's what he has done.
But do we grant amnesty?
That's the question we
say. Chiawenian for we chow. Na case ni
yen chem. Make case we when we are the American say a second part of create, loot and share.
How?
Who sika abomano e se utue sika se di mai. But untumi ntua. Enti pe kakra bra. Na de aka no ye na ya aka yen twanhia ne enkohia ne nchichi no obi antune ye. That's what they have done. nothing more, nothing else. Because it doesn't make sense. Who create a who defend the Kwabra before? No, you told us say, "Sir, case now abandoned court no, not Kwabra before. There was no case. Kwabra before Nifo. When you Bonibia, until now we defended our court with all the statements I will make you court there. Statements I would court United.
It was rejected by the court.
Political witch hunt. Yeah. In the political witch hunt, let's say what banda. What inform you say only the quadrasa for negotiating. And you know say what cancel case? No, say what you try series of cases. We don't need any explanation. Now you will say a party ni and now we are lawyer conflict of interest and a one kasa wabe trust na one who say I don't baby I do no and said me jam monaco because or a party ni or a financier of the party. No way jam no way you will know for baby atra. Gana for a kasa I do we can twist. For the Bia because ya me bonus of one be. Oh, you full up of stories. You can't see a moose I do with after 2 weeks. Zam, Neko. Your first Ghana coach. Until yes, a Ghana for you know, we say, you seek about 5.7 billion. Now, the area where my head said, says Sika, we are welcome. Young Sika, Attorney General, we by the Indian makers over your West Attorney General. Yeah, cases are what you can miss Ghana for. Senate and the storm symbol. It was over 200 million US dollars, not cities. What filing dollar prosecutor was here, or
200 million.
Yes, Sagleme, $200 million. And yes, it is you. Was here. Here comes another day, best capital here. Nipano, you bought for and or police. Or quite a big court, no, and so only new attorney general, and so filing no defending nation, no police court. You didn't file anything.
Yeah, Jano.
$10 million US dollars. Now, we share cases here, openly, a file more my way, Luzua. Minia, and yana crowd, a silence now, Mokamutu, when you come in, Kamakatos or Channel start. And to say, yes, I am more winning more minor car. Then we come back and tell the people say there's no money to do rules. In Tinipana, and I will say, a banner no honor, a watch hunting bin and our hunting. A then and no buy a Nipana to Mizu, a no correct my ball minor car. Nemono, maybe 60%, now the 40% naturally. What do you do? One of Catchings and Nakis be no. Now, Saglemi, housing project wouldn't be as easy as contractor now, a project contractor now. I'm
aware. Yes. France.
Yes.
Oh no,
or more file arbitration.
Yeah.
Arbitration, France against the state.
Now they started with $10 million.
Yes. We
are told or more are raising half of the 100 million, which is $50 million. And the irony is, Ayine is defending Ghana with the same Asamoah na Godfrey Damino Ade Akye Collins Dowda. So now the question is, what Collins Dowda case him say so. But so where the ball Collins Dowda no?
And I would defend the state no.
And company no say Collins Dowda any so they are not just Omanhene Yaw.
Exactly.
Etienne ya mama sisi wo mo. Afede ya wo the case na ye di tia Collins Dowda no. What time they akọ ho say and from so a company ni ye na wo fa adwuma no. Se wo fa adwuma no from so bia ni ho a e na France company na ono so obeye adwuma ni bi no. And from so wo ne ho.
That is the question we should be asking.
Eti wa Jack Collins Dowda e na Doctor Odame former Attorney General di tia Collins Dowda no. What Fadi could defend the Ghana France?
Yes.
How do you
can reconcile the two.
Approbate to reprobate?
You can reconcile the two. This is the clear indication I come as him say. Me Attorney General will meaning the prowess in the account say and I say he's been manipulated.
But why should he allow himself to be manipulated?
Politics. When to me now so people will use you and dump you. That's what they are doing to him. And I don't think he has a boss. And Ayeni will go into the history books of this country. But
is it not too early?
No.
To conclude,
it is not. It is not. Meaning, you have to tell me, I always said a mandate here 4 years. Bosome what you money ekui. And that's 4 years bi.
Aka 3 years 4 months.
Enti ye kwa no. Ye file case.
Bobo ni na ya do 28.
Yeah, ni akwa koto aba. Enti dia ye ni eye no. Me de eye caution. Enyema a wo ye nyina no, he will be the one to answer them in the future. Na me abano say ya bye bye. Me push for say we should prosecute him.
Na nipa no na wa banya ma I will call for the prosecution.
Oh yeah. Because na say be to me. Okay, now who call for the prosecution? What they say prosecute no be prosecute. It's your prosecute. Now who knew as attorney general?
Na you prosecute for the
causing financial loss to the state.
How? For declaring only prosecute on those
because cases judges are more open cases they have questions to answer.
So they should come and defend.
Yes.
Enter defense.
And I will better answer there be.
Oh yeah.
Na oh ya kura fa court na court no kan wase. Na one kasa wa better answer. Only omo as one kasa why a judge in your own court. As attorney general, you were the defense counsel. For nipa na ne we say wapase obetua sika mu 60%. Enti me say sa ayi atuesi andi na me kai ayi gofre ebo adame ne episode or the chokoma ayi your friends attorney general.
Ewa atuesi.
Yes, am I police say betumi ya ade we am akwabra before the any atuesi and say you know.
FPI no sunti na court na grant him.
And I agree with the court. Because on dey no atuesi no eji to mu say obetua ayi e car na or this state no 30 million he will pay. And the state the car say won tua bi. It was around 27 million.
No, there will 90 million.
Yes, state in
there. And what 39.
Yes, state
in 51.
The OG 2 million is 27 million.
27.
And the state in the interest account. And they call 90 something million. And almost will tell you the 30 million. To 30 million we no man say offer 1 year tua and over 7 million. In the subsequent years na as old to interest can be. And that state no side there as no court. And the man na obi atues ka we. Now they're prison. Now buy I will say already look at the amount of money.
821 million.
7 million no. E be sin ne. Attorney general me say
because if you look at 5.7 now cause we 800 it means on 60%. When you do the calculation 10%.
On 1 cedi.
10%.
On 1 cedi.
820 million what you
receipt no way. He should show us the receipt. Because the sika control account general even say
it should be receipted.
Yes, auditors eba no be audit no mutu Abia. I had one of my deputy directors enye body bia no ye oba na assembly no nya ba bi ma na and assembly no man accommodation in the first 3 months no the assembly paid and the 2 months na na ka ho no na sala we nya obi na odai auditors no say 3 months in the assembly no respond na 2 months in the no ankasa na de ne pe na odai until he should refund the 2 months. O 2 years cannot to assembly. We gave him receipt. Until what it signed back for a verification. We had the receipt
to prove so what.
Exactly. And this also what 2 years he should show us the receipt. Accounts will move to
the officer. Dr.
Because there's no evidence. We are speaking to evidence. The one say property is not more common. The mass are bet capital Unibank in says by the media the TNC. More establish a bank and a bank more pretty and a walker. And no man say, and I'm saying for a Juman and a ban Sama Uska. Say, fashion bank, you say,
depositors no Sika
a man for it. Muji is Caron and Modi says Cano, Ecosisi estate houses.
Real estate.
Yes. And those properties now one and a Bank of Ghana take it decision say, Yen Rivoku and Wimunano. Until receiver now, Bank of Ghana appoint you or more identify those properties or move their properties in your castle yet or mine say ni binya. And then I ain't doing any other so no buy and also the previous government administration or buy no on chair and say one property or no identify say yet it is our properties in your few more money. Me say or put your 1 cedi. And you create loot and share part 2 and no why. If your why is hard way, I'm a scano. Yes, you enture with the Hakano, young cotton baby, young papa, no be any. That's what they have done.
And they say, you are alluding to that.
Story we said it's day, they are saying, I don't think the story there. enti ye besre ye amanyofo na meka no bo se wo hia mabunu ne bebre a ya na eno na ya no so ye nya traore de no e wo kodiva ye fe
Burkina Faso
bia eno de mesre mabunu se e ma ye nko fi freedom inya pa democracy a enye kura any military government a e be ka say ye best na mu no esese ye ma bai no hu se de omo ba ye na omo to opposition omo ka kire ye no that's not what they are doing enti ye na ye fa ya no ntumbi na ye correct omo enye sa ye betena oman no se ya manfia na no beso se ye take decision no na omo de oman na akoshe ba bia ye reverse ya na yi na I don't think say this is the way to go. This is not the way to run a country like Ghana, because o hwe se ska we nyina ye ka ho ase nyina wo kan bom na ye se ye tia na entumi ye akra kumase hurura. Are we being fair to the people? The ruling class, are we being fair to the people? Enti dia ya ne se me ya kromfo se bi o ka frache mako wia ayi mponche edu na atene general de me ko gina court am so mponche metumi di nsia ba o fa nsia bra na aka fa so obi abakwa ko wia mponche.
Okay.
Enti me ko MC era me tell so oman no bafa jama sa fosika se botum ye ba ye ba hwehwe me hu se no kre MC no ano no for ayi na kodam so no kre ma fasika no
the for 10 million na betimi di say saba
6 million ba na de aka no omo so fabra because ye don ko court a betimi ma se bia ye ntumi improve case na chese wa fa ho di na de yakura wo we mu ameka say me support sa to esia se yi no ne say sedinam tamakuru Maslow Sika on court to a man conviction.
Oh, there he's been jailed in absentia. He's been jailed
more than 70-something million Ghana cedis. A mark and a man to market yashi and a bina mouse case. Kochama man or mojo no to find Emma or business emraba. Maminqua the car and the Ghana must go. As it says, good boot. Echo general a bouquet filling station. Emma court to sentence and say, says can wa fashion botu. Ye because ye case ya asena no ka say on tiapo and a court remand excuse and the call US or no yare. Court na sentence and say ye de no ba fie no be send or be 10-year jail. E be sin ne ma renda to US or ye party. Nti wo ba he ya wo file case say we are say no. Dia na wo kan kire Ghana for say ma me no me extradite no back to Ghana. Because abana no more starting processes no. And no Abra wo sorry ana wo na say attorney general wo why information minister na case bia ba bia wo gina bonte o ka ho asem what is said na tamakuru asem no waka ho asem atre on brief ye aduru hemfa he should talk to us national service asem no we be gina kwabna adubu ahede no we be gina we no we be gina said na tamakuru de na court amane conviction no aduru hemfa on ka kire nti me ka say he will go into the history as the worst ever attorney general. I'm right. I'm not far from the truth. Enti attorney general the Ayini some of us knew. It's not the Ayini that we are seeing today. Na deliberate na on person moye. Because oboye we yin me yem won say obese ko fale no prosecutor aka say said na ntamaguru asem kra ye twam ye di asem na wi o but obese ko fale o because they need na no so no wa fale say no kwa ye fi o. And the high profile cases ya na NDC for ye involved na abai no e de omo court e ma court can say omo cases into omo open omo defense and omo open omo defense some of them na ka ba bi edu no akato na brom na court na de omo issues abai wi obai wa file cases say onye interest e bi we ja omo nyina na wo ya de we a signal ben na wo send the akwa bonten and you say all the time you say ye njeri nipa no. But they are a basana serve as deterrent to others. Omo mo mutimu pon say ye de o man so o say o mewi o man sika no. Me ya de we da bi de e ho say da ba.
Yeah, two way no.
Me ye we ya because of setting and tamakunti enti na wa twe asai. But we say free for all. Me nua e bedru ba bi na confess no. Wo be kona wan sidi kura ni. Nkrofo be sesa ni na so moto. Enti the attorney general and then the deputy say aye no de and Emeka say president no a complicit. Yes, the president is a complicit. It is a boku case me dey Emeka say ye chief president ye chief Mahama Yarga or make how we can get solution e wo boku.
Ye nchi why?
President
be.
John Mahama.
Commander in Chief of the Ghana Army. Why never chino?
Na say na make say ye nyina e ka bom say yenchino.
Ade why they?
O ka kire say MPP aban ba power.
NDC aban power.
That was MPP for ba power.
Any boko no credit. And there. Ya Grace minim say oh sa video na.
Da bia asumwe ba boko.
I say NDC na all power asumwe ba boko.
Exactly. And
na ye ba.
O ye Ghana nyina kraka ho. Na MPP ba da bia asumwe ni Ghana ene boko. Enti ene wa ba power. Na say asumwe ni wa say ye chiwa no wa kire kwa emfa so abi nya asumwe no.
Now do you have to arrest him before?
Na
okay, you know, say it for no way. How do you arrest the president?
Yeah. Na say yanchino a ye be da hu say
Chino he.
Yanchino Ghana. Ye o de yanchino ye invite no.
Why they invited him?
BNI for.
Na BNI why na appoint?
The current NIB.
Why they appoint here NIB?
If you say Ghana for nyina dey ado tum so omunye say adwuma na omeye.
Ghana for catch NIB boss say
yes,
arrest your boss.
Yes.
And ask him say.
Well, there is not about arrest, they should invite him.
And ask him what?
Yembisa say or say NDC ba power. Asumwe ba boko and NDC wo power.
Adentina asumwe.
Enti tie no you feel say be ya, you be fa so asumwe betumi aba.
Omwaye.
Otufo ayi ohen kese ya wu yusu no. Wo say bon krofo pa na omo tie abuti na omo di na atem. Obo pa e man krofo etu omo ka na omo tie abuti na omo di no otufo atem. And then a told the end of the won't be as well do anything. You see, young trust and for be politics. Because activity say religion.
Mahama Yaga is appealing to Ghanaians, accepting the fact.
Appealing to which people?
Apologizing. Say,
has he apologized? Appealing say, yeah, my find your politics. Better apologize.
So say Ojitum say they did some politics. Yes. Wajiatum.
One year wa Baumiacho.
By no day me.
Wapa
I know they me. One patch.
You see? Enti won trust na okọ atifi ko hunsu na wa ba na for bi say when hunsu.
Because honorable from January to date Utima almost about 300 and something people have died.
NDC constituency executive from the 6 constituencies no omoka no my figures no nye police for the mind.
Yes, almost about 300 people.
Yes.
January to July.
For time 8 years in nipa omu year about 50. Which is not good. Nipa ba ko crack and is not good.
Now within
6 months, 7
nipa
months
300.
If you how omu to me account for. Nipa na omu free me omu na ya omu to me account for.
Now the way I AC kono so. Me the students no kwa koku wo mo na me yema sheme. Yema sheme pa.
Oh, and the kind of politics are ye petumi a ye no. It's not the best. Me nye when be a dirty politics na me fa nyi to me. Me gi to me ni wie kwara say amafo nyina hu say ma nya to me na wie. Mahama yarga o ye be ma onko boko.
Ole onko.
Na nka wo kra wo ye fortunate. O ma me ye man pusi, o papa ye kusa ase.
Ukana okay. I'm saying
Boko is at peace. Anytime NDC is in government, Boko is at peace. Unfortunately, as soon as NDC leaves government, the Boko crisis flares up again. And let nobody say it's a fight between ethnic groups. There is politics behind it. And there are people who deliberately fund that crisis.
Yeah, President Nanutum was there is politics behind it. And you are never a leader of the state. And the politics behind it. Your friend or better. Who are those politicians behind it? Say na onora no moka say Baumia and Yakufuado. And now mo ye abayno. And they were behind that. And there was one abayno. So in inference, are you also the one behind? Or no party for money behind? Inti na make say omo friend na omo invite na on chire.
Why friend na?
Solutions ni na president ho.
No solution I said go solve it. If the president has solution to the Boko crisis, say go solve it.
But he told us what the problem was. Okay, tell me a problem. What's the politician behind it? Because now inference in say or call a buy or call compared to me. Baumia a vice president or a candidate for the party or a man pussy to use the Kusasis against the man pussy. And when we use that, that means we are using the Kusasis against Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia. We are using the Kusasis against Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia. That's exactly what they were doing. And we yes, our politics now. And then the solutions to the problem no, are very difficult. Okay, you are telling us the SCBR, can you move on? And may find your campaign and find your politics. Now the last one, now no president could on one Kassan crew no. Gunja land. Or say Bokofono or Munsia or only crew for no Munya to trust them for no. Also Munsion. Now a yen de say ni crew for no or Montese Bokofo.
Okay,
one video no. Now we are cotton kito.
Or say
Or say ni crew for no a yen de Gunja phone. To say or Montese Bokofo, you are going to trust them no. Now, Monsieur Bibi, every crew for now, to trust him. That's what the president said.
I have not seen the video.
You haven't seen it?
No.
Oh, my producers will check him out. You get it. You get it.
Akoria. Me tama so sempon. Na nanka wo se Hussein neba. Ena me tse se BBS kwantie wo se ubante. Ai, ma mentie akabe, ma 10 minutes akabe fati.
About $1.7 million worth of good na for Najim. I think it's a very good call because okay, Emra ye ba bem ye can say ye kaya enche bia. We be a friend Alistair Matias na for bi no ne NPP form 24 because say bosumi bia na osmogo good worth $40 million. What you say?
Mike no waso.
E maso. Say
e mana Kasa.
I was saying say many are December saying akunya ba shows na mo de mo fan chem. Mo fan chem say my delay kakra na emergency bi na na basa. But I would want to talk about a NACOP 4 issue no. With
NACOP issue bay.
Good about 1.7. You said it was part of the topics about $1.7 million worth of good and yet me season.
Yeah, and Brendan, to answer 1 month we could not go there. We dealt with the Boko incident and then road issues. But if you want to go there, no problem.
I want to talk about that. But now me take him by me say me bra former MC or can be say and Attorney General no or witch hunting no you see. Sir Nehemiah or me I think say Ghana for nyina need because Attorney General he's carrying the people along. Say umu niema bia ekoso say wa man be brief the public and that's why meet me vo nyina hu say niema kwa. You people will also turn around and throw in some propaganda. Inti no munja no onye de onye na djuma. Is it the first time Attorney General be investigating Nkofuara? Even former president of the land, John Dramani Mahama. Ma investigating no. So if say Jesus say abemu peniphobia the edibon, they be because say if say you have a public officer, probity and accountability a key. Now anytime be free abem, you should expect say you bet me after why they are to two ano. It is here to two ano and my money may say bia obi time obi na say. Mami ya all can I say man or say about 10 million Ghana cedis why the one mismanage ya what to bataya you or say I was say how would you know if because every day he's briefing if say
okay said nam tamakulu
or say na Attorney General what shows that he has
about 78 million Ghana.
That is fine but I'm saying he said see 10 years in jail that I wanted to talk about the years I jail but I'm saying he said I don't know most man of an number. Someone are more prosecuting. You had evidence to buttress everything that you were.
Well, there were processes.
So, exactly, but I'm saying you can't say simply. It is possible. It is possible. Say, and painting. No bet me a convict you. Nipa no bet me a find you dubious means I did. And Johnny, but it doesn't mean say unless we see Ghana and I say yenya the yench no. Say if say ebi obi to bata na so obi di boni bi no ordinity akenria. It doesn't mean say one more so back on them yenya the yen prosecute you. One more send him and me and the young come massive. You know the issue is that near a bebo man to mpong when it comes to probity and accountability, when it comes to young kind of no mind for home Tom and here. Now on mine because of say time no do na put in media medical can say Timemu for the omo penny say near my prices beba for the omo penny say omuko jomo beti me akwa near. We were talking about a year dollar about $1.7 million of gold that illegal smugglers be fire the aquaton. Yes, easy. Don't forget, say all these dollars when it remains in the country, because I was making reference to Alistair Matias under President Akufo-Addo. Obeka say ni choni area President Akufo-Addo. None ne kon nakra na bosumi bia gold worth $40 million. or the free of my Ghana Mukama on the cotton. Era President Akufo-Addo said he was going to see him near the basin, Yehunia, some near they could see, and there's animal in they are stopping. And then no case a gold board by her. Sikado do I yet me maintain with regards to good. I might ye see deny the Yahu. Then I was talking say prices and so ye then, but for my mind, and the POP cement. Now only a ton of about 115 Ghana cedis and a ton of 95. Iron Ross, I was listening to one of your colleague journalists. And they ton about 9,700 and they ton say, you ton about 7,800 and 7,500. On my meno say. Now no yera joma mo bo cassette say to me mufoma na kunya no ba. E ye ma wo mo level 100 first you bet you move and me share yera fellow scratch for page about 97,000 people are there. Students are there. You two move fees among. And on that chain, busumi sia etwemu. Now the nursing and nursing trainee for car about 6 months 120,000 people. And then no can say abenya the arbitrary and then no can say capitation or mine get me move 4 pounds because it's here ebimo say or mine you know say ebimo say NDC abaya wa pajis do because MPP for me no mo abem da bi o muniska ye kwa koche ye niska ye kwa koye we niska enso luxurious private jet ne ma de no mutimi ye the final capitation since 2023 sa kan ni na na da ho unim say capitation so no ne de ye basic school nkonya ene sa ne me no kasai ya ba be clear arrears ye de so when you check the direction that the country is moving, lorry fare.
No, for the nurses.
Lorry fare,
nurses 6 months.
When you say initial,
arrears. Exactly. They are buying way na into
initial 8 months. Okay, you are Baumia or one of the nursing schools. No, Babe can say.
And Omutia 2 months.
Omutia 2 months. So that one was also there. Abai with regards to winning.
Abai say 6 months.
But I'm saying say also.
But what I'm saying, Abani buy, you know, a 6 months whole period.
That is fine, but what
I buying way and I tia because
that's fine, but I'm saying
on the pencil.
I was trying to
on tia arrears.
Me percent can be make reference to the fact say nanu ya ye kaya ababa wa ba ko no say oba first year J 1 year no. What or J in the first year ne nsan ka bi ma to 4th year na ne nsan ka
no there na a mistake on validation.
Oh no. It wasn't
budget TV. No crying we're going to say. Nurses no teachers no. No mu nya na be ka so mo ba first year etu o mo ka. There were anomalies metiase. Abai no ba Dr. Mahmoud ba me a mo busa no ko che ma yesi etu a o mo ka. E me bi ku aba say no kranya no kre. Last hour o mo saka o mo sika no. O mo se ma alawa kra ye ntoma mo. E be ye campaign. But from January to June the aban we tua enya arrears e ya aban no 6 months e was so tua na wakabo matua ma om
clear but what I'm saying is say okay assuming without admitting say bia busumi nsia ni kra na tua first no bit minya ne the level 100 abe level 300 na nsan kan bi mu some of them no na enye validation issue omu tua ba ko mienu bia na omo ye proper
but yes we nyina yesra kwatia
but the issue is
afa na aban we aba watua 6 months e betima ba say ebia the next 3 months no obetia no ne obi ho no ma from so abana dem na wanya
the minister has assured us say niam na na happen
for year free ho e bi si
o ma me national service na yesu atese ye nya skampo mfa ka enkwa adwuma da bia boys girls yesu
because tia musika nya
tia nyina be 2-3 months and year president Akufo-Addo dey ka he has settled all that debt. So I'm saying is the country is moving in the direction because and the lawyer first here to so omo wetima before no to aba no yet lawyer first so any do me na first no send this car e levy to okodi ewu amode beto ye so na eda ni koma we the wosu and ye firi omu nyina ni ade age oman it is a wohe sa na ema ya ekoye na hia na petrol asema mo ka oman na no ye nyamo time na ye to 1 liter about 17 Ghana.
What was the price at
1 liter about 17 Ghana. Now price at international markets no mo na mo manage mo dollar
and NDC you left MPP left 14.75 a liter.
Sometimes was even 15 but as
Jamie say MPP left 14.75 a liter and the giant See, I be a 12 point.
It's your mind.
It be a 13. It be a 14. But in room 14.75.
15 cramawa. Nothing they are trying to 12. Watch out, 3 cities. It's not but respectfully, let me make my point. But I'm saying is that also on international. When you say international markets, no surprise in the back from cry. Now say oh currency no to me managing year. Ebe affect
no credit.
And the era John Mahama. Tikasi area do no penny for buy. Yet me manage dollar ne wall dollar ni seed ni wall. Seed na nya ahoden. Obi anan kokwa niema ohia sika about 150,000 Ghana cedis no. And the sa niema no kokwa ohia about 100,000 Ghana cedis. It is a share sa niema shrunkun ye dia agu akwan. It can also affect the fuel prices on the international market.
I agree with you.
So what I'm saying is say aban be ye boy homodin. And the time the man should enya do now because of the emergency.
Say another time obenya time no abana.
The make check say for nyina ne say wo mon koso en support era John Mahama na ne hye pa the national apprenticeship program eye de adwumawura ene sa na ma papa na o kan so obeya matimam fo wan ye de atom no eno ano ye na mienti atesem mientie obi azem na say na micro minority don make
go we are out in the car. Special birthday to a fair jamfua aka Mami Jane from Agosia Samoa, Japan. Happiest birthday to Mercy Praman Kakari, University of Health and Allied Science, Volta region from Emmanuel Monyo, aka Fabio. Agosia Asumje of Hamburg, Germany. Your friend Anako Kubufa of Opemso Radio says happy birthday. Frederick Opoku of Nyinahini Kwanta. Kakape and Berrimo Drew wishes you well. Glorious birthday to my lovely husband, Mr. Paul Frimpon of Kapami Limited, Asafo, from your wife, Mrs. Josephine Frimpon. And then little sister Abigail Osei, you are a nurse at Menchia Government Hospital, from your sister Boahima. For Yabeda Honorable, I say, Waba. Abepo apama jumedie no aye kama na sanso so ena eye Dennis Akowia enso so wom se oye ade oba aye kra no mama program na aye kama ana bo andus bedi ako watu agum na de say wo so no ni how to tugu every another time I was your for the musi hado we better was say emba betra say no dey agudie won sem papa no Abraham. Stay tuned for all the details right here.